Hello and welcome to Artsy Second Sunday. It's Amanda here and welcome. We are going to be creating this painting in my art journal. It's a recycled art journal, and as you can see it's my old bills for my telephone bills, but the paper's really nice and thick, so it makes a nice surface to work on. So Artsy Second Sunday is organised by Alaya Art, so please do join us, visit all the artists who are joining the video hop. I'm using a range of supplies. We've got some Neo colours, and I've got some Liquitex paints and Liquitex paints here, and we're gonna have fun, and I'll show you how I created this page. We don't have winters here, we have the rainy season and the dry season. So in December and up until say April, it's coming out of the rainy season, so my scene is always, you can see the beach, you see the sand. We don't have, this is almost like a river scene. We don't have rivers here, we have the sea. So when I go down to the beach, I wouldn't see these islands in front. This is almost, if you could see a couple of 100 miles, you might see one of the other Caribbean islands. But yeah, let's have fun, and I hope you enjoy. Please do leave a comment, and yeah, visit the other artists in the video hub. So take care, let's get started.